Welcome back. This week we are gonna get the SS truck running, but first you get to watch me go through all of my struggles, and we'll get there. So stick around and you'll get to see it too. All right, so we're moving the battery to the back so we can have two of them, and we're gonna put a kill switch in between there so we can shut the truck down at any time or leave it somewhere and have it unattended and nobody be able to steal it. So we're gonna chop this end off. We're gonna chop this end off, and we're actually just gonna mount it right to the frame. I might run a ground all the way up here to that same spot if there's any weird electrical issues. But this is gonna get chopped, go into a block right here, a 250 amp fusible link, and then we're gonna send it to the back. So let's get these ends chopped off, put some new ends on them, and let's get going. All right, unfortunately the battery died. I got my power switch down there. I also grounded my main battery cable. I cut the end off, put it there. So now our main power cable goes into here, which this cable goes all the way to the back. This is where our battery is gonna live now. I ran the cable from the front to the back. I also installed this on and off switch. I went and grabbed new cables. This battery I had, it's pretty much new. Grounded to the frame right there. So I think we're doing pretty good. Now we got to start making a power source for the we got to make a power source for the fuel pumps and a relay back there for it. So let's get to it. All right, welcome back, rain or shine. We're working on the truck. It's a little rainy today, but it is what it is. We do got to finish up wiring, relays, and everything for the fuel system, so I'm going to take you through that right now. I did not show every bit of this. It just takes too long. Wiring, it's not exciting. I just made a quick 4-panel with 4 relays. We do got ground wires going into each pump. We've got 4 relays for 4 pumps. We're basically this is going to be our power supply up to our battery, which now we have midway in the truck. We're going to put it into the bed or underneath the bed right here. Haven't decided yet. That's going to be our power supply. So we're basically going to get this in up under here. I'm going to chop part of it off because we don't need any more of it, and then finish the wiring. But I'm just going to kind of point you and let you watch because that's how YouTube works. All right, time to add fuel to the fuel system for the first time. This is where things start to step it up a notch, get a little more dangerous. Just make sure you take your time and know what you're doing. Or try to, like I am. Nice, spill, like my dad. Just make sure you take your time and know what you're doing. That went awesome. Guess we're gonna have to let this dry before we fire anything up. God, way to make a mess, you idiot. Just make sure you take your time and know what you're doing. God damn it. This thing just does not take fuel very fast. You can see all that junk in the bottom, but that's why I pressed it up, pushed it all out first. Okay, I just want to show you guys how fast this damn bucket fills up. Oh shit. That was about a lot. That's doubled what I just put in it. So I'm glad I'm flushing all this stuff out of the inside. There is a lot of trash in there. It's hard to tell, but all that dirt is just from one flush. So cutting hoses, you really should flush your system. So let's keep going. All right, welcome back. We're adding oil today. Sorry, the fucking sun is blaring, which I'm not sorry about. So just gonna hang you guys up over here. We're throwing some oil in it, and then we're gonna try to get the oil pressure primed. All right when you think you're done with the exhaust, gotta weld in O2 sensor bungs. I kind of left these out because I didn't know the placement and how many I was gonna need. So I'm putting a couple in for extra, wideband, all that stuff. We're gonna eliminate 2 of the second bank O2 sensors, but I might throw them in just to make the computer happy for the first fire up. I haven't gotten into the HP tuning just yet, but we are going to get there. So let's go. Already drilled my holes. I started welding one in already. Doing okay. It's a little dark over here, but it just is what it is. I'm just trying to get some welding done. So you guys can hang out over here and watch. Done. The stainless welding has came together a lot better. I've gotten a lot better at it, so all right. All right, welcome back. Today is fire up day, I hope. So we're putting our NGK plugs in right now, and we've got our new tires on, our SS wheels, so it is finally looking pretty whole now. We're just gonna get to it today. I got my O2 sensors put in, basically the last of everything plugged in, so all we gotta do is get those plugs in, wire up the X-Link that somebody cut the end off of, which I just finally got pictures for that. Thanks, Chris Dolan, I think his name was. So let's get to it. Time to permanently wire our X-Link in that somebody cut off for me. Alright, I popped the throttle body on. Apparently battery died on the GoPro, so let's continue on. Okay, that is for sure a fail for day one. So first time to start, didn't work. I just got clicking on the starter. A lot of people say it's the ground, but I got an old used starter, so might get a new one. We'll see. I'll do a little more research, and we'll see what happens. Till tomorrow. All right, went and ran to O'Reilly, got a new starter. Like I said, I may have burned up the other one. I'm getting the oil primed, so hopefully this takes care of it. All right, so apparently we did cook the starter when we were just priming the engine. It is an old starter. It came in the truck, the SS when I originally bought it. So let's hook up some other things, and let's see if we can get this thing to start. Be right back. Got the coil packs, our X-Link, should be interesting. I call that a success. So obviously it needs some tuning. We got to hook up all the rest of the turbo stuff. I'm gonna get the HP tuner laptop out and check it out, but let's freaking go. Big old dummy here. Forgot to tighten up the turbo feed line, and just make sure you take your time and know what you're doing. Yeah, I'm a little short on oil, I'm guessing, but everything ran good, had lots of oil pressure, so time to clean this up and get the computer out and start tuning. All right, that's all we have time for this week. It's great to hear it run, but stick around. We're gonna get to drive this thing soon. Thanks for watching. That went awesome. God, way to make a mess, you idiot. God damn it. This thing just does not take fuel very fast.